Hello and welcome back. Today, let's look at the story of our little bean plant here, how it grew from a tiny seed to a plant. When a seed grows into a plant, it has germinated. So this is also a story of germination. In the beginning, the dry seed is dormant. That means that it's asleep. When the seed is in a moist environment for a little while, it swells up and absorbs some water. The seed is starting to wake up. Here we can see the root is starting to poke out of the seed. And here we can see the stem beginning to grow up and out of the seed. And look, there's some more roots growing right here. These are called secondary roots. Now the stem grows and starts to lift the seed up. And look, the seed coat, or the testa, is starting to slip off. And the roots continue to grow. Here is a nice long stem, and the seed coat has been lifted to the top of the stem. Now look here. The seed coat has slipped off entirely. The young plant is free of his coat and is starting to unfold its cotyledons. Those are the seed leaves, and the roots continue to grow. These two plants are different plants, but they develop in the same way as our bean plant. It is actually a cucumber plant here. Let's see its cotyledons have opened up to catch the sunlight. And here, in between, you can see the beginnings of the true leaves. The true leaves are budding, and there continue to be even more roots. Finally here, a true leaf has opened up. This plant is off to a great start. If you look closely, you can see how the cotyledon leaves are the same shape as the bean. Well, the true leaves are growing into a different shape. This leaf is the shape that is typical for this plant. It is the true leaf, and these are the cotyledons. Pretty soon, more leaves will grow, and the cotyledons will dry up and fall off because the plant no longer needs them. It can rely on its true leaves to make its own food. Wasn't that a lovely story and so much fun to see the seed develop? Well, here is a germination chart that you can use in the future to reference when you want to tell the story of germination again.
We have a lot more lessons at Guidepost with activities that you can do at home or school. One of my favorites is in the video description below.